Hello, welcome back. This is Maurice Limba, and today I want to show you how we can convert this particular plan to a DXF file. So this is, as it is now, it is a DWG file. So the trick here is I want just to show you how you can convert a DWG file in AutoCAD to a DX file. So a reason why we convert it into a DX file, because there's some other programs that will only be able to accept any importation into that particular software in a DX file. So to convert this into a DX file is very simple. You come to, once you've opened this particular file in AutoCAD as it is now, and you want to convert it into a DX file, we'll come to file there and come to save as. I'll click save as there. So where it is now, I'm going to, under files of type, I'll click on this drop down arrow here. So the moment I click on here, you'll be able to see we have the DWG files of different versions here. The top one by default, the top one is AutoCAD 2018 all the way to AutoCAD Lite to that. So we have the DWT and now we have the DX file. So we have different versions here. So I can go ahead and pick the first version of 2018 DX file. So I can pick on that. So the moment I picked on that, the file will go to its original folder, the previous folder of the original folder of the DWG file where we will save it in. So in our case, it is on the desktop here. So I'm going to save this house plan 01 as a DX file. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click save. So the moment I click on save and minimize everything here, if I minimize everything here, I'll be able to see I have my DX file here. So in this one, you can import it into a different software for further advancement or for further assignments that you intend to work on or to use it for. So that's how you can convert your file, your DWG file into a DX file. So I'll repeat it once again. You come to file or AutoCAD logo here. Just go to file and come to save as. So the moment you click on save as, you'll be able to convert this into a DX file. So I'll click on that drop down arrow, and this is what you'll have. You choose on any version of your choice here. So that's how you handle that. So let's meet then on the next presentation. And for now, let's meet then. Bye bye, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'm Maurice Limba, and bye bye.